Millennials always ask questions why it is happening and what are the consequences I have to bear and what should be I prepare about what's coming on my way. And the most important thing is wherever they go it, whether it is a party or work or wherever, you really need to very well prepared ahead of time. And the most important thing is they relied teamwork and they wanted to know the feedback, so to make it more feasible and productive, whatever the opinion comes from my every angle. All these things you will watch in this series that I am going to review today. It's called Generation 56K. What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us, and you will really be amazed with the parallel story that you will watch in this series. The most important thing that I really could relate to myself is because at the beginning of this internet era, you were using modem, you were using all those old ways of connecting and using Pentium 2 and Pentium 1, etc., etc., and floppy disk. It was very hard at that time, and with the passage of time, how your life has changed. This series will really let you know that how emotions have changed as well from one generation to another generation, from one decade to another decade. The story revolves around Daniel, Sandro, and Luca, and Matilda, Enes, and her friend also. Because they are kids, they are brought up closer to a sea area, a little bit like beach area. It's a very beautiful place, and the beautiful thing is that how their life has changed from childhood to adulthood. And at childhood, these three guys, they are always looks very nerdy, and their side hustle is selling floppy disk to altar boy, and it is a funny thing. You will really be amazed what they are doing it and how they are trying to earn money through that mode of information that they have got it, and how they using it. So that computer belongs to Daniel father, and Daniel has a mom and dad, and they are very kind to everyone. They are funny, they are good, and more important thing is they are welcoming. And whereas Matilda, she is a very difficult girl. Why? Because she is living under the guardianship of her mother, and the another thing is that her father almost left them and to pursue his career as an actor, and went away from them at the island, and that created a very huge gap, emotional. That's why she is always hard, and she's not easily breakable, stiff, a little bit stern with emotions. That's every time she is not giving a good vibes to Daniel, whereas he is always there to help each and every individual whatever they really needed. He tries his level best to be helpful to people. They had a very rough relationship when they were kids, and you could see that the parallel story. That's the beauty of this series. You will really be amazed by it. Why? Because it will tell you that imagine that after many decades you meet your same friend and you forgot who they are, and you went on a date with them without realizing that you have met them at the childhood. And that was the mistake of Daniel. He didn't recognize her because the way he saw her when she was kid, and now she's all grown up, and now he has feelings for her. But there is a big barrier. The barrier is that she is already getting engaged, and she is about to get married with a guy. And now how he wanted himself to come out of that circle that he has drawn around him. And most of the time the good thing is Luca is always there. If he is heartbroken or he is sad, he is always there to hug his friends. Sandro always there, very nice, they are always kind, and they are working on an app. That's why you could see how the millennials really work together. They wanted to talk to each and every person. They don't want to give tough time to even someone who is not happy with them. But the problem here is that now she is getting ready to get married, And after recalling all those memories, she really wanted to give it a try, that instead of marrying someone whom she hardly know, why not uh, come up with the solution and start rediscovering each other. So Daniel and both are trying their level best to come out of that circle they have drawn. It's a very beautiful thing. And from childhood, they always had one guy, an old man, who has been very helpful to them. And he has a very big jar of letters. Those letters are, he had made that one so that the next coming generation will open it, and once he is dead, definitely he wanted to give this letter to another generation who will open it. So during that time, whatever and whosoever from the that village or that area has posted a letter in that one, nobody is allowed to open it. What happens with them? Will they be able to be together while his fiancee, they are both getting ready and preparing all this stuff to get married quickly? And now how her friends will help, and how his friends are trying their level best to be any kind of assistance to him. I hope you will really enjoy this series, and it's very good to watch it and you will like it. Thank you so much for bearing me, and have a great day. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.